How to make Google Keyboard longer or shorter. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open a Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar. Now type Gboard. Now once you're done, simply tap on the search icon. Now tap on Google Keyboard and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up any search box or message box. Now tap on the square dots. Now tap on resize on this page. Now to make it longer, simply drag the upper part. Now once you're done, simply tap on the tick icon. If you want to make it shorter, simply repeat the same process. Tap on resize again, drag down the upper part, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.